The AI race is driving a massive build-out of data centers. Duke Energy just pledged to keep power bills low while serving that demand. Here's what that means for Morocco and builders like you. Duke Energy CEO Harry Sideris announced a customer protection pledge at a White House event. The key mechanism: data centers sign 15-year contracts that cover their infrastructure costs. The revenue from those contracts is then spread across the utilities' fixed costs, grid maintenance, storm recovery, fuel. This lowers rates for everyone else. In North Carolina alone, Duke estimates $3.6 billion in savings over 15 years from signed data center contracts. This is a direct example of how large-scale infrastructure investment can benefit consumers when structured correctly. The data centers pay their way, and the broader customer base gets cheaper power. It's a win-win if the math holds. Now, why should you care? Because this trend is global. The US is pouring billions into AI infrastructure. Europe is following. And Morocco sits at a strategic crossroads: abundant solar and wind energy, proximity to European markets, and a government pushing for digital transformation. Morocco could become a data center hub. The country already has the North Solar Complex, one of the world's largest concentrated solar power plants. Wind farms in Tarfaya and elsewhere provide cheap, clean energy. Data centers need exactly that: reliable, low-cost power 24/7. Morocco has it. For Moroccan founders and indie builders, this is a concrete opportunity. First, build AI solutions that optimize energy consumption for data centers. Think predictive cooling, load balancing, or renewable energy integration. Second, develop software for data center management and monitoring. Third, consider starting a data center business in Morocco if regulations allow. The renewable energy advantage is real and can attract international clients. The lesson from Duke Energy's pledge is clear: infrastructure investment can lower costs for everyone if structured properly. The AI boom is not just for Silicon Valley. It creates opportunities for local economies that position themselves correctly. What should you do about this? Start researching Morocco's data center regulations. Look into renewable energy incentives. Build AI tools that serve the data center industry. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. The move is clear. Morocco has the resources, location, and ambition. The question is execution. Can we build the regulatory framework and infrastructure to attract data center investment? Can Moroccan builders create the software and services that make these data centers efficient? I want to hear your take. Do you see Morocco becoming a data center hub? What AI solutions are you building that could serve this market?